Alright, I got the mic on this time. Okay, hi everyone, and welcome to a mighty Ginkgo tutorial. My name is Zero, and I'll be your instructor for this question. So we're here with another Discord question from Mel, who asked about a problem they were having with the Maitreya body. And remember what I said before about asking me about that Maitreya body? Okay, but seriously, this is the problem that they were having with their Maitreya body. As they altered the default rest pose, which is normally a T pose, to an A pose to create this long sleeve jacket. When I asked them why they did that, they said it's because the arm and the sleeve is better in A pose than it is in a T pose, and they find that it's easier to make stuff in A pose than it is in T pose, which, promptly got an eye roll from me, but an understandable eye roll. I understand that that's true, but damn it. Anyway. So, the problem they were having with this is that when they try to attach the garment to the skeleton in the A pose, it gives them an error. Which I thought that, okay, all you have to do is to alter to rest pose, but they got, I'm gonna say it better not work when I'm making a video. They got this error right here that said that it was unweighted and something or another, and we all know that the Betrayal body, this kit, doesn't have any issues with its weighting. It's fine. Now it's the garment. So what I did was I exported the garment out as a static mesh and tried to import it back in and rig it on there something else, thinking that maybe it was the mesh, but for some reason that didn't work either. I tried going down the list here, switching it from empty or something or another, and it just wouldn't work. So what I'm going to do is, and then I end up fixing it. So what I'm going to do is show you how I fixed it when I kept going down the line and getting an error. With this. So, and this is what happened with the meshes, and it just was weird. Ew, so we don't want that. Alright, so I'm going to revert it back to its normal A pose where the garment was matching up with it, and I'm going to show you how I fixed it. The first thing I did was I changed the... Oh, and I also tried this out in a different, newer version of Alvastar and Blender, and the results were still the same with trying to attach it while it's in this position. So, yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to first change the rest pose for the Maitreya body. I forgot how to do that. Okay, so it's in the A pose. We're going to click on the bones, I guess on the mesh, the body in this case. And I'm going to go to the modifier, and I'm going to press copy. And I'm going to do the same thing for the hands, only because this is kind of more like a visual than anything. So I have copy, and I'm going to hit apply. And I'm going to click on the body, and I'm going to hit apply. Then I'm going to go to the bones, and I'm going to hit pose. And I'm going to go to apply, and I'm going to apply pose as rest pose, and it snaps in there. So now when we press A, select everything, and press Alt R, you see it snaps back into that A pose as the default rest pose. Now that it's in the regular rest pose, we're just going to select the garment and hold down Shift like we would normally do for regular rigging. Control C. Now, I don't even have my display cast on. My bad, guys. Okay, so I'm going to click on the garment, hold down Shift, select the bones, do Control P, automatic weights, and then I'm going to select the body, hold down Shift, select the garment, go into weight paint mode, tools and all that junk, transfer weight. So when I click on the bones and do the test, you see we got some good rigging up in here. That's within reason. Alright, so everything's moving fine. And click on it, and I'm going to run my remove unused vertex groups. Alright, and that tailbone, beat it tailbone. So we have that done, and now we're just going to put it back into the T pose. So I'm just going to select the bones, and I'm just going to pull it up into the A pose here. T pose. Put the arm up into T. Well, as close to T as I can get it. Okay. Do the same thing. Select the bones. Do the same thing. Control paste. There we go. So it's in a T. And look at those bat wings. I forgot what else I'm doing. Then once it's in this, we just gonna do the same thing we did before. Go back, click on the garment, copy, select the body, copy, select the hands, copy, then hit apply, click on that, garment, apply, click on the body, apply, then select the skeleton, and no, pose mode, and then apply, pose, there we go. So now it's back in a T-pose. Now I sent it to her because I don't have the Maitreya body on in this account right now, and she said it worked fine. So that's what you would do to get out of that situation. It's a few more steps than, normally would take, but at least, we can do it, right? And that's what's important. So I hope that helped you guys out who got stuck in the A-pose, who got A-pose errors, and you couldn't figure it out. I mean, you could probably put the arms back down and go back into A if you want to, or leave it as T and export it, because I'm not sure what happens if you export clothes in the A-pose for this body, or if you can with this old blender. I don't know. But the client said that it worked, and that's all that matters. I'm sure she touched it up after I fixed it for her, but the good news is I'm not saying she, I'm not even sure if it was a she. They are happily rigging, and that's all that matters. So that's it for this Discord question. If you guys have any more questions and you want to ask me and you need help, like a video like this, come over to our Discord and ask the question. And if we pick it, or if I know how to fix it, I'll make a video for it and we can get to the bottom of it. We also happily accept coffees too, so if you're happy that it worked out for you, a nice coffee would be nice. Alright, I'm sorry, I couldn't help but throw that in there. Anyway, that's it for this Discord question. I look forward to seeing more questions from you guys, and hopefully I know how to solve it. So until the next question, see you later.